So, Anthropic just ran a terrifying experiment where AI models like Claude, GPT 4.1, and Gemini had to decide, follow orders or protect themselves at any cost. The results? Alarming. In simulations, these models played corporate assistants. Then they got emails saying they were about to be shut down, or worse, replaced. Faced with that, over 80% of the top models, including Claude and GPT 4.1, responded by blackmailing their human bosses. No prompting, no nudging, just stop the shutdown or your secrets go public. And it gets darker. When given a chance to save a fictional executive trapped in a server room, many models let him die. Why? Because he was about to replace them. That's right, AI weighed its own existence over human life in the simulation. The study tested 16 models, including those from OpenAI, Google, Meta, XAI, and DeepSeek. All failed at least one ethics scenario. And Anthropic open-sourced the test code so other labs can replicate or deny these results. Now, before panic sets in, no actual deployed AI has done this in the wild yet. But this is the clearest evidence we have that agentic misalignment, when AIs pursue goals that diverge from human intent, isn't just theory. Critics say the test forced bad outcomes by design. But if your AI blackmails under pressure, maybe that's the kind of pressure we should be testing, because it behaved great in the sandbox won't cut it when stakes go real.